Let's turn your photo into a cartoon effect. Let's go! First, go to the Play Store and search for Photo Editor Pro. Here it is. Let's install it. It's less than 20 megabytes. Now open the app. Now, touch the blue button named Photo and choose a photo to turn into a cartoon. For now, I'll choose this one. And touch the Effect button and tap the cartoon icon. You can crop and adjust for your face, then click OK. Now you can see many different cartoon styles. Let's try some. First try. Wait a second. And here is our first cartoon style. Let's try another style. Hold on. Wow, this looks really cool. One more. And here it is. Now choose your favorite style and tap the correct icon. Then tap Save. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.